In this video, how to withdraw money from Cash App to bank account. I will show you step by step how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Log into your account using your email or phone number. After logging in, check your available balance on the home screen. Now tap the Money tab or tap your balance. Next, tap the Cash Out button. Now choose the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. Enter the amount correctly. After that, tap Cash Out again to continue. Now choose the transfer speed. You can select Standard for a free transfer, or choose Instant for immediate transfer with a small fee. Select the option you prefer. If your bank account is not linked yet, you will need to add one. Enter your bank account details when requested. Make sure the information is correct before confirming. After that, confirm the transfer. The money will be sent to your bank account. Standard transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers usually arrive within minutes. This is how you can withdraw money from Cash App to your bank account.